Strong and durable plastic case protects eggs from breakage. This egg container is an essential part of your cooking kit. Cover locks tightly. Holds 12 eggs. Fits USDA large Eggs.Molded handle. Stansport's egg containers are made of strong and durable plastic to protect eggs from breakage. Top reviews from the United States. Eggcellent Camping Gear Edition. I absolutely love these outdoor camping egg cases, that's why I ordered myself 2 of them. These cases are the best thing ever for your eggs if you plan on going camping and are going to be there for an extended period of time, especially if there are going to be kids around getting in and out of the cooler. The cases are made of a pretty hard and durable plastic, and the cases also snap airtight and lock to make sure that no matter who is getting in and out of the cooler, there will never be a problem with any broken eggs when you go to make breakfast the next morning. As you can tell, the cases also have a very carrying handle to make it easier to transport the eggs from the cooler to the cooking area of your campsite as well. I have had a few sets of these in the past and they really will last you for a long time and are a quality investment to add to your camping arsenal for sure.